A medical-pharmaceutical sales guide. Chapter 1. A medical equipment supply sales guide. Medical sales career websites and organizations. Sell drugs, medical equipment, and supplies. You don't necessarily need a medical degree. You go to a training course put on by the company, then you take orders from existing accounts and look for new ones. Pharmaceutical sales are engaged in a combination of healthcare and business. As a company's pharmaceutical sales representative, the professional interacts with physicians and healthcare providers on a regular basis. They provide information on their product or group of products, including why the products are the best currently offered in the market. Because of this interesting combination of both business and healthcare, professionals in this field come from all different majors and backgrounds. Training from the pharmaceutical company upon being hired makes a degree in business or the sciences optional, though experience in either could be beneficial. American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy. 1727, King Street, Alexandria, Virginia, 22314. AACP.org. National Association of Chain Drug Stores. 413, North Lee Street, Alexandria, Virginia, 22313. NACDS.org. National Retail Federation. 325, 7th Street Northwest Suite 1100. Washington, D.C. 20004. NRF.com. Medical Sales, Pharmaceutical Sales, and Marketing Career. acfospedalist.org. acpinternist.org. acponline.org, American College of Physicians. allaboutmedicalsales.com. allocationlinecaljobs.com. biospace.com, biospace.com. Helps you learn more about what is going on in and around the field of pharmaceutical sales. bnet.com/research_articles/medical_marketing_and_media. careers.roche.com. Coreynaman.com, Internet Drug News, includes information on marketing and sales, including useful industry articles. cutco.com/company/careers.jsp. fdainfo.com, covers FDA rules. framesdata.com, eyewear industry. Gaining experience in medical sales jobs. getmedicalsalesjobs.com. globalgerecruiting.com. go2farmsales.com. globalassociation.com, healthcare marketing agency. gojobs.com/medical-sales-jobs.html. healthcaresuccess.com/hss-careers.html, medical marketing. healthsectorjobs.com, Ireland. helixjobs.com. hotjobs.yahoo.com. hotjobs.yahoo.com/job-search-k-medical-sales-c-healthcare. indeed.com/q-medical-sales-jobs.html. jobops.com. jobserve.com. jobsmedicalsales.com. jobsfarm.com. jobster.com/find/a/jobs/for/medical-sales. manufacturers-representatives.com. medgigs.net. medicaldevicesalesjob.com. medicalreps.com. medicalsalescarrier.com, National Association of Medical Sales Representatives. medical-sales-jobs-chicago.com. medical-sales-jobs-dallas.com. medicalsalesrecruiter.net. medjobs.com. medmarketingjobs.com. medrepcareers.com. medreps.com. medzilla.com. merck.com/careers/choices/sales_marketing. msajobs.com. mymedicalsalesjobs.com. pharmaceuticalsalescarrier.com. farmboard.com, farmboard.com. Features information on the career field, as well as first-hand accounts from people already in the industry. phcconsulting.com/medical_sales_jobs.htm. phrma.org, Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America. rightsite.com/jobs. roycejobs.com, Pharmaceutical Sales Recruitment in the UK. salesandmarketingnetwork.com. salesjobs.com. sales-marketing.careerbuilder.com. sellingcrossing.com. simplyhired.com/jobs/list/t-medical sales. thecomforts.com/pharmaceutical_companies_r.htm. thegouldgroup.net/medical.htm. valorybooks.com/valoriagents.overview.do articlealley.com/article_205983_36.html. wetfeet.com/careers-and-industries/careers/pharmaceuticals.aspx. xenopa.com Xenopa Recruitment, specializing in professional sales positions in the medical, pharmaceutical, healthcare, dental and science industries, with vacancies across the UK. Medical marketing job/career/medical sales job career. In case you have not noticed, the medical industry is about making money selling stuff. ca.indeed.com/medical-sales-jobs. careers.gwynnettmedicalcenter.org. healthcareers.about.com About careers. healthychange.jobs. jobs.gecareers.com. medicaljobsearch.jobsearchxt.com. medicalsalescareer.com. mydevicecareer.com. mymedicalsalesjobs.com. advancerecruitment.net. advancerecruitment.net/medical-sales-jobs. americasjobexchange.com/medical-sales-representative-job. athenahealth.com/careers. careerarc.com/job-search/fresenius-medical-care-jobs.html. flatiron.com/careers. floridtechonline.com/upmarketing-career-and-salary-profile. globalgerecruiting.com/career-center. globalgerecruiting.com/specialties/medical-sales. guerrillamedicalsales.com. guidedsolutions.co.uk. guidedsolutions.co.uk/medical-devices/medical-sales-jobs.php. indeed.com/q-healthcare-marketing-jobs.html. indeed.com/q-medical-marketing-jobs.html. jobs.bd.com. jobs.healthnet.com. jobs.jnj.com. jobs.net/category/marketing/medical sales representative. linkedin.com Jobs. medcareers.com. medicalsalescollege.com. medreps.com/medical-jobs/sales. medreps.com/medical-sales-careers. medsalescareer.com. monster.com Advice Career Paths Companies and Industries. monster.com/jobs/q-medical-sales-representative-jobs.aspx. nationalcareerservice.direct.gov.uk/advice/planning/job. naukri.com/medical-representative-jobs. naukri.com/medical-representative-jobs-in-Gorakhpur. payscale.com/research/us/job=sales_consultant, medical_sales. targetjobs.co.uk/careers-advice/job-description/276119. totaljobs.com Jobs. trudlemed.com/careers. workopolis.com/job-search/medical-sales-jobs. xenopa.com/medical-sales-jobs. Healthcare manufacturer and business sales websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/healthcare/products_and_services. Subcategories: maintenance, medical equipment, outsourcing, resources, Suppliers. Web design and development. Anatomical models. Blood products. Dentistry. Diagnostic. Disability. DNA testing. Emergency. Filters and purifiers. Genetic and paternity testing. Hearing. Hemodialysis. Hygiene disposables. Hyperbaric. Infection control. Informatics. Interpreting. Massage. Medical scale systems. Medical waste management. Medico-legal services. Mental health. Nutrition. Ophthalmology. Orthopedic. Pharmaceuticals. Professional education. Prosthetics. Protective clothing. Reproductive health. Sleep disorders. Surgical products. Telemedicine. Therapeutic ultrasound. Vaccines. Wound care. Related categories 3. Science instruments and supplies. Shopping health. Shopping publications, books, professional and technical health. Alco.co.za, Alchem medical supplies, products for hospitals, physical therapists, and home health care. Allergen.com, Allergen Incorporated, develops, manufactures and markets broad range of prescription and non-prescription products designed to treat diseases and disorders of the eyes. Allheart.com, Allheart Uniforms, provider of scrubs, Littmann stethoscopes, and numerous medical supplies. Alva-amco.com, Alva Amco Pharmaceutical Companies Incorporated, producer of non-prescription pharmaceuticals, dietary supplements, and specialty cosmetics. BD.com, BD, manufactures and sells medical supplies, devices, and diagnostic systems for use worldwide by healthcare professionals, research institutions and the general public. Bestgroup.com, Best, develops and markets telecommunications products such as nurse call and attack alarms for the healthcare sector. BPHD.ro, Bismax Pharma Distribution SRL, an authorized distributor for smart solutions and quality products and affordable treatments for a specific and critical segment. CE-mark.com, Net, LLC, a quality assurance and international trade training firm that specializes in CE marking and ISO 9000/QS 9000. Custom-kits.com, Custom Kits Company, first aid supplies, ear protection, and sports tapes and related products. Drammock-int.co.uk, Drammock International, UK. Econeem.com, Econeem, manufacturing natural pest control products for human and animal topical use. Envisioninc.net, Envision Incorporated, offers videos for a variety of healthcare professions. ExactSciences.com, Exact Sciences Corporation, offer proprietary, genomics-based technologies to assist early detection and eradication of common cancers. FCCoop.org, First Choice Cooperative, allows healthcare providers to work together to standardize products, equipment, and services in a non-threatening way, thereby reducing total supply expense. FridgeFreeze.com, Fridge Freeze Incorporated, manufacturer of portable cold storage solutions, 12/24 and 110/220 refrigerator freezers used to store vaccines and blood. Giganano.com, Giganano, biomedical consulting for pharmaceutical, biotech, HIT and medical device industry. Greenfoods.com, Green Foods, nutritional supplements based on organically grown barley grass. Group-Lemoine.com, Lemoine Group, cotton buds and cotton pads manufacturing. HenryCHine.com, Henry Schein Incorporated, markets healthcare products and services to office-based healthcare practitioners. Hitas.com, Hitas, designing, manufacturing and marketing Hitas orthopedic and rehabilitation products, and Adujo emergency and rescue products. Honelli.de, Hydromer.com, Hydromer, provider of specialty hydrophilic polymers and lubricious, antithrombogenic medical device coatings. Hydroworks.com, HydroWorks International Incorporated, producers of aquatic therapy and fitness pools for commercial, professional and college sports, healthcare, elder care, and fitness markets. HipACHydraulics.com, Hypac Incorporated, a manufacturer of low-pressure hydraulic systems, as in power units, cylinders, hoses, and accessories. IntegratedBiosys.com, Integrated Biosystems Incorporated, natural human and animal health products for head lice, muscle balm, uterine flush and disinfectant. InterCallSystems.com, NurseCall by Intercall, designer and manufacturer of NurseCall systems for the healthcare market. JNJ.com, Johnson & Johnson, New Jersey-based multinational manufacturers of pharmaceutical, diagnostic, therapeutic, surgical, and biotechnology products, as well as personal hygiene and healthcare items. KOB.de, Karl Otto Braun GmbH, Germany. KRAC.co.jp, Krisi, Japan. CustomerKinetics.com, Customer Kinetics, manufacturer, distributor, and packager of lotions, pain-relieving ointments, and electrode creams. Lumivera.com, Lumivera, produces effective both all-natural skincare products and plant stem cell anti-aging products. Mallinckrodt.com, Mallinckrodt Group, manufactures pharmaceuticals and products for mother/baby care, respiratory, and medical imaging. Medela.us, Medela Incorporated, manufacturer of breast pumps, and postnatal supplies. MedicalAlarmsUSA.com, Medical Alarms USA, information on medical alarms, how to order them, installation, and their benefits. MedicoInternational.com, Medico International Incorporated, surgical garments and accessories used to enhance the patient's recovery. MVAPmed.com, MVAP Medical Supplies Incorporated, offers a complete line of supplies for sleep and neurodiagnostic testing. Octurno.de/usen, Octurno, manufacturer of aerosol and oxygen masks, bubble humidifiers, nebulizers, and other products for oxygen therapy. Onencompany.com, Onen Company Inc., pharmacy supplies, pharmacy labels, laser labels, RX labels, pharmacy bags, prescription equipment. Owens-Minor.com, Owens and Minor, supplier of a wide array of medical products backed up with supply chain consulting and e-business solutions for healthcare customers. PainTechnology.com, Pain Management Technologies Incorporated, offers muscle and nerve stimulation equipment, heat and cold products, and braces. PCICharts.com, PCI, thermal recording chart papers for the medical industry, thermal array recording papers, private label for dealer distribution, and custom printing for OEMs. Plexon.com, Plexon Inc., manufacture hardware and software for neurotechnology research, aimed at research labs and hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and military research. QualityIGM.org, Qualidigme, healthcare quality assessment and improvement, education, research, and data analysis services. Ramex.com, RMX Ars Medica Incorporated, CD-ROMs, software, slides, videos, and books for medical professionals. RoyalQueenSeeds.com, Royal Queen Seeds, cannabis seeds breeders in Europe for medical and auto-flowering seeds. Skylarkdevice.com, Skylark Device and System Co., Limited, designs and manufactures precision medical products, and specializes in electric therapeutic medical devices and healthcare products. Smith-Nephew.com, Smith & Nephew plc, research, development, manufacturing, and marketing of devices and products for the fields of orthopedics, wound management and endoscopy. StanleyHealthcare.com, Stanley Healthcare Solutions, produces monitoring devices and alert systems for residents in the senior housing and healthcare industry. Stratum.com, Stratum Med, a services company offering group purchasing, recruitment, and insurance. Syncetic.net, Synectic Engineering, medical product development, engineering, industrial design, device prototyping, preclinical and in vivo testing. Tech4people.com, TechWorks, advanced communication products including light signaling, intercom, wireless, and caller ID. TechLabsinc.com, Tech Labs Incorporated, non-toxic formulas for skin rashes, insect repellents, and head lice. Teletriage.com, Teletriage Systems, develops telephone triage products and services for healthcare industry, including protocols, training, and consulting services. Therapro.com, Therapro Incorporated, provider of products for occupational therapists, educators, and parents to provide preventive, developmental, and rehabilitative care. TopicalBiomedics.com, Topical Biomedics Incorporated, research and development in transdermal pain and inflammation relief products. TrueLife.com, TrueLife, manufacturer of breast forms and enhancers, and pressure relief pads and cushions. TurnWedge.com, TurnWedge, reviews the challenges associated with repositioning your patients and presents a new and innovative way to accomplish this task in a cost-effective manner. Wero.ch, Wernley AG, Switzerland. Whittlestone.com, Whittlestone, breast pumps and feeding information, including support products. Zamza.com, Zambeza seeds, feminized cannabis seeds and auto-flowering cannabis seeds. Zativo.com, Zativo, offers an extensive range of cannabis seeds from all major cannabis seed banks. Chapter 2. A Pharmaceutical Sales Guide. Pharmaceutical Sales Career. Corinaman.com, Internet Drug News, includes information on marketing and sales, including useful industry articles. Farmboard.com, Farmboard.com, features information on the career field, as well as first-hand accounts from people already in the industry. Wetfeet.com/careers-industries/careers/pharmaceuticals.aspx. phrma.org, Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America. Biospace.com, Biospace.com, helps you learn more about what is going on in and around the field of pharmaceutical sales. Medicalsalescareer.com, National Association of Medical Sales Representatives. Allaboutmedicalsales.com. Allocationlinecaljobs.com. Articlealley.com/article_205983_36.html. bnet.com/research_articles/medical_marketing_and_media. Careers.roche.com. cutco.com/company/careers.jsp. Gaining experience in medical sales jobs. GetMedicalSalesJobs.com. GlobalGeoRecruiting.com. GlobalAssociation.com, Healthcare Marketing Agency. GoJobs.com/medical-sales-jobs.html. Healthcaresuccess.com/hss-careers.html, Medical Marketing. HealthSectorJobs.com, Ireland. HelixJobs.com. Pharma-mkting.com. phcconsulting.com. ABBA Industry Headhunters.com. abpi-careers.org.uk. ajb.com. Allaboutmedicalsales.com. allpharmacyjobs.com/pharmaceutical-industry-sales-sales-jobs.htm. ampare.com/industry-article-job-faqs.html, Atlanta Medical. aurorafarm.com. bio.com. biospace.com. bioview.com. careercenter.tamu.edu/guides/resources/job titles/farmindustry.html. esmartweb.com/florida-jobs-sales-job-openings.html. harbro.com/biotech_sales_x.html. healthcare.monster.com. healthcare.monster.com/farm/article/farm-sales. higherhealth.com. his.com/gram/empco.html. imdiversity.com/villages/channels/pharmaceutical/articles/pharma_jobs.asp. jobfactory.com/indus. jobslistings.esmartweb.com/florida-jobs/pharmaceutical-sales-job-openings.html. medicalsale.com. mednet-tech.com/pages_main/pharmaceutical_sales_job.htm. netci.org. pharmaceutical-industry.info/modules/pharma_career_job_links.aspx. pharmaceuticalonline.com. pharmaceuticalsales.com. pharmaceuticalsalescarrier.com. pharmaceuticalsaleshelp.com. pharmaceuticalsalesinterviews.com. pharma-mkting.com. pharmaiweb.com. sciweb.org. jobistu.com/careers/manager/sci-statisticians-in-the-pharmaceutical-industry-lgdq.html. rci.rutgers.edu/tilde-ifelo/posters/pharmdcareeroptions.pdf. swot-analysis-pharmaceutical-industry.topjobsresources.net. uc411.com/aaps_article.asp. vanguardpharma.com/college.html. vpmom.com. wetfeet.com/asp/career-profiles_overview.asp?career pk=36. pharmaceutical sales/drug sales job websites. pharmaopportunities.com. medreps.com. farmboard.com. careersinpharmaceutical.com/pharmaceutical_sales_jobs.cfm. retail pharmacy jobs. retail pharmacy. hirerx.com. rxinsider-jobs.com. rxcareercenter.com. careers.pharmacytimes.com. farm.sc.edu.